Animal sounds on the farm. Welcome to the Happy Farm, where all the animals are ready to say hello. Let's meet them and hear what sounds they make. First, let's meet Clara the cow. Hello, Clara. What sound do you make? That's right. Clara cow says moo. Now, here's Sammy the sheep. Hi, Sammy. Can you show us your sound? Great job, Sammy. Sheep say ba. Oh, look. It's Daisy the duck swimming in the pond. What do ducks say, Daisy? Fantastic! Ducks say quack. And here's Henry the horse. Hi there, Henry. Let's hear your sound. Wow, horses say neigh. Here's Penny the pig having fun in the mud. What sound do you make, Penny? That's right, pigs say oink. And now, let's hear from Randy the rooster. Randy, what do you say every morning? That's right, roosters say cock-a-doodle-doo to wake up the farm. Meet Gary the goat. Hi, Gary. Can you show us your sound? That's right, goats say baa too. Look up in the tree. It's Olivia the owl. What sound do you make, Olivia? That's right, owls say hoot. And here's Timmy the turkey. Hi, Timmy. What sound do you make? Fantastic! Turkeys say gobble. What a fun day on the farm. We met so many wonderful animals and learned all their sounds. Thank you for joining us. See you next time on Rainbow Tiny Kids. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.